First, go to your course, then open your gradebook. Now choose the batch you are interested in. So select export. Select the columns you need to export. So this is the total of the next 4 items, category total. Now choose the format you want to export, real or percentage or letter. I am choosing real, so that will give the total marks. So now downloaded the marks total. So this is the file which I had downloaded from Moodle. Now I open this. Next, this is the file which I had downloaded from the Moodle site, and that is there. Next, I have to download the file into which I have to copy the marks. So this file is obtained from the classroom management site. So this I have uploaded to office.com and open that file in Office 365. So next, this is the file which I have obtained from Moodle. So I copy this the roll number data into this column, then the marks data into the next column. Okay, so I cannot just copy this column into this because the orders, the register number orders are different. So I have to enter the marks here in this column corresponding to this roll number. Okay, so to obtain that, I use the VLOOKUP formula. So here I enter equal to VLOOKUP of. So I have to look up this roll number, comma, in this table, comma, and in this table it is the second column. So this will be 2, the column index number, and then we have to choose exact match by selecting false here. Okay. So now the marks corresponding to this student is captured from. So this is B220083. So this is B220083ME is 0. It is copied here. So now if I copy this directly, the problem is that this table range will change. So we should not copy directly. Instead, we should use a add a dollar sign in this table array and then copy to all the columns. So now the table array remains absolute. Okay, so now we have got all the marks are copied from these two columns into this. Now one column is not available. That means this roll number is not available in the table. So possibly this student is not enrolled in Moodle. So I have to change this to uh, absent. Absent is denoted as -1 in our classroom management software. So this is -1. So this 0 is also -1. So all the zeros I convert to -1. So since they were absent for the test. Okay, here once again -1. Okay, so now this is saved. So now I delete these two columns. We have got the marks as per this roll number now. So of course, if I delete this now immediately, so this is still a formula. So the formula will, the data will disappear. So I have to first copy this. File, copy, and then paste here itself as file, paste, values only. Now only this one is copied. Sorry. So whole thing I have to copy. Copy, paste, values only. Now I have to delete these two columns and save this file before uploading to the classroom management site.